What's up, guys? It's Wyckoff here with Wyckoff's Adventures. We are out and about on one of the side roads here in Verdi. We came a little bit closer into Verdi because we're staying at Boomtown, baby. Yeah, so we came off a side road. We finally found a side road where the fire was last year, and I want to share it with you because everything around me, even this power pole right here, got burnt to the crisp. All this has been burnt. And if you look across the way, over across the railroad tracks, and down the way here, all burnt. All the way up the mountainside. Even check this pole out right here, guys. Crisp. One house so far stayed up. Everything around it was burnt. So today's video is adventure out seeing the aftermath of the fire from last year. Caught from the fire started from a four-door sedan car. The guy was drunk, I believe, reckless driving. And something got caught in his spokes of the tire, and he was driving down the road, and it was making some kind of spark or whatnot. Well, it caught the car on fire, and he pulled over, and the car got up in flames. And when the car got up in flames, it started spreading out to this big mountain area field. And we're going to keep going on down as far as we can, show all the burning rubble and all the aftermath. It has been, I'm going to say, almost a year. I think, when was this, Nick, that it happened?
What?
March, April, May, I believe this has happened. Or June.
No, it's like August or September.
August and September? Wow. So it hasn't even been that long. I was hoping that it's been a year anniversary, but you can still smell the burnt charred from everything that was crisp, I guarantee you. Yep. Still, yep, smells like smoke. Smells like a burnt cigar. But anyways, we're going to keep on riding. Hopefully you guys hang with us and see what we get into. Never been down this road. Lonely road to nowhere, but to somewhere, because we got to go somewhere, some way, somehow. But enjoy. Let's go. All right, we made it a little bit far, all the way at the end of this road. Turned into a dirt road, but there's I-80 up there. We got past the... But supposedly there's some cool stuff down here. A lot of people, it looks like they have parked down here and walked. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to figure out what is down here. So let's see together. Look at this. We found part of the railway. It's pretty cool. People are tagging stuff. It's pretty awesome. But look at this massive rock right here. Killer. So it looks like people walk up there. So we're going to figure out a way. Looks like people burn out here and hang out. This would be a good boondocking spot back here. You know what I mean? But I'll tell you, when the train goes by, it'll be loud as a mojo.
Oh, yeah. And shake the whole trailer.
Oh, it'll shake the whole trailer. Earthquake, earthquake. So cool. And there's the railway. 80 over there. Climbed up all the way up the mountain, or the rocks. Not all the way up to the top, but close. But look at this view. Right down there is the Truckee River. But we won't be able to get down that way. But we're going to keep walking that way.
Yeah.
Right down the middle of the train tracks. And we're going to walk all the way over to that bridge and check that place out. How you doing, Nick? Taking pictures? Mm-hmm. Sick. Just so beautiful out here. We'll walk up here to the bridge, catch some more stuff out. Fingers crossed that a train don't come. But if it does come, definitely gonna get it on film for sure. But look at that. Made it to the bridge. We're gonna have to make it right across real quick, that if a train comes, we're in doo-doo. But that is cool. Let me go ahead, got some graffiti there. Also gonna put our stickers on there. And look at Truckee. Wow. Look at the old-fashioned bridge right in the center. That is cool. Water Rapids at its finest with the mark. Where you going, Nick? Huh? What's over there? Yeah, that's why we gotta get over there. Oh, it's on that side? Oh, okay. Alright, well, let's walk in the center and take a picture of it. And it looks like you can... Whoa, I almost stepped. Check on this side. Holy cow, this is woo-wee. Well, we made it to the top. To the top rail. Guys, if you guys can, please explain this center piece right here. I would think it's because to change the tracks, but it's going to a single rail. So I don't know if this is maybe a safety feature or something. But if you can, please comment below. Let me know what this center track is for. Holy cow. Oh my God. Wow. Be careful. Hold on. Hold on. No, hold on. This might. So hold on to this, I'm saying. Holy cow. Oh yeah, you can see right through it. Holy smokes. Oh man. Look at that. Huh? Nah, train ain't coming. Oh, this was 1907. Right there, 1907 this was built. That is awesome. But yeah, you can see right through the bottom here. A little shaking in my sandals. But look at this. Let's get out to the center. Gotta get out to the center. Say that we knocked it out. We knocked it out of the ballpark. Oh, oh, it's shaking. It's shaking. Hey, it's definitely holding. It's definitely holding. It better hold. All right, looks like I'm gonna go ahead. Somebody marked it there. I'm gonna go ahead and mark it here that we made it to the center. But there is the waterfall that we're gonna head up to. Man-made waterfall right there, coming out of that thing. So we're gonna try to walk over there. Hopefully we can do that. It has been marked right here, dead center. All right, we're walking back. See you guys over there real quick. Holy cow. See you over there. So we can't go that way, no trespassing. So we're gonna go this way. It looks like they got a outhouse up here. So take a little quick pit stop at the outhouse. Yeah. Oh, there's the guy up there. He's walking up there. So that's the walking path up there, Nick. Nick, guy in the red hat, he's over there. So that means he don't work here. So it's a walking path. Yeah, that's the outhouse. Right there. Well, you have to go to the bathroom? What? Don't go up there. What's up there? He said thorns? Oh, an old house. You said a dollhouse?
An old house.
Oh yeah, had a homeless guy in there sleeping.
Yeah.
Until it started raining on him.
It may have been a poop place.
Could have been.
Or it could have been like a secret food store. It looks like it had a little cabin.
Yeah, maybe a little cabin. All right.
Where's the tide get a lot of right?
Says right here, I don't know what that is. Oh, Tahoe Plymouth Trail. That's what that is right there. And this is a water thing right here. Look. So this right here, that house used to be a control station for the water. But this thing looks all clogged up. Hasn't worked in a long time. Yeah. But look at this big old pipe right here. What's this big old pipe right here? Holy cow. Nick, you see it?
Yeah, I see it.
This big old pipe right here?
Yeah, big old pipe.
That's a big pipe.
That's a huge.
Huge pipe.
That's a water pipe.
Sure, it's a water pipe.
Yeah, that's where that water is coming from.
You know, right? It's coming on the other side. Yeah, huh? See it? Yeah, look. Hey, Nick. I'm telling you, dude. See, look. See, look. That's the old, what is it called?
Steamboat Trail.
Steamboat Trail.
Yeah.
That reverts the water from the Truckee River and all the other water, and it dried up, and it gives it all to the people. There's I-80 again. But man, that's a big pipe right there. Huh?
The other part of Walker Trail's down here. That's where he came from.
All right. See, and there's the water.
Yeah, so if we walk down there, we'll be able to see it.
Yeah. That's pretty cool. But where's that pipe? That pipe's coming from way up there.
Yeah, from that building.
What's up there? Should we check it out or what? I don't know.
Water in there.
You think water's in there?
Electric. You know, electric.
Right?
Oh, electric, yeah.
Oh, electric?
No, water.
I don't know. Something's in there. But yeah, this could have been like an old Disney ride. You know what I mean? Huh? Water filter? Oh, okay. Look. Hey, this old Disney ride. Look, right here. You know? Little splash ride with the little mountains and stuff.
It ends right there.
No, it's underneath. It's clogged, you remember? On that side. It's clogged. Let's go see the cloggage. Oh, that's some weird rocks right there. I mean, we can walk it, Nick. Oh, see? Look. Totally not there. Huh? I don't know, hopefully. I don't know. All right. Yeah, they made it like a little concrete, like pole, you know? And it goes all the way around. But yeah, we're gonna go down there, check out some stuff. I don't know, maybe we should go, I don't know. All right, guys, we don't want to touch this. That's electric. We don't want to touch any of that. That'll put us in another world. But it looks like they used to run the water through here to run the electric. Run the electric. Like the electric slide, baby. Oh, there's the water. See it? I see it. Oh, wow. Why'd they do that? They put a danger thing around it. I knew we should have walked across that plank. And then we could have walked over there. But then we would have been trespassing.
Yeah.
So we're good. We played it smart. But that's pretty cool, though.
Yeah.
Hopefully we can see it on this side. Oh, no. Oh, hopefully we can walk right through there. Yeah.
Well, where the heck did those people go? Yeah, they did. They walked.
Yeah. All right, it says danger.
Danger.
Private property, no trespassing. Pond area subject to flooding, depths changes, and solid objects flowing from spillway. Extremely dangerous, not a recreational area. Stay out, trespassers will be prosecuted. So yeah, we don't want to go
Nope.
in there. No.
Sounds dangerous.
Yep. Yeah, and see, and that says high voltage.
It
So
is.
you don't want to go in there.
No.
So we got high voltage on one side and high water on this
Not a
side.
good mixture.
No. Oh, but that does look cool though. Look at that little pond right there. That's a nice swimming hole, man. For real. But hey, they told us we can't go there.
Oh yeah, that'd be so cool. Just swim in there.
All right. See
Yeah,
there?
we can-
Yeah, we can walk in there. It says
This is the trail.
this is the trail.
Yeah, see?
All
We're
right.
doing right. We're doing right.
But they definitely put us through like we're going through prison.
Yeah.
Like you gotta walk through the. Holy cow! You. I told you it was. No, it is. Yeah, all water goes to Truckee. Yeah.
I tell you,
Now look.
which goes to Lake Tahoe.
No,
Yes, it all connects to
Lake Tahoe
comes to this. It
comes to here and then it goes away.
Exactly.
Look at that, folks.
But it all connects to
Look at that. That's a man-made waterfall right there. That's awesome. And it is a nice little swimming hole right there. Yeah, they did. They rejected it. That's pretty cool. Let's get closer to the other side. On this side over here. Oh, look, no more fence.
Only on this side.
Oh, only on that side. Yep. We got a fence on there and barbed wires. Oh, whoa, look at that. Imagine if we took a boat. Oh my gosh. Not a boat, but a float. You know what I mean? I guarantee you if we came down that, we would land out here. We wouldn't land at them rocks. We would fly. We would fly out that thing. Yeah, you might fly over it. You might fly over it. But man. Oh, for sure. Oh, it'll be fun. It'll be something though. Yeah. A little waterfall on the side of it, you see it? Little spurts of water. That is pretty cool. Oh yeah. Alright guys, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. We're going to start heading back. It's getting dark, or dusk, and then eventually it will be dark. So I really hope that you guys like this video. Don't forget to share it. Hit that like. And if you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. That helps the algorithm. Spread it, spread the love. We're out here showing nature and the adventures all in one. Again, thank you guys so much for watching the video. We will catch you guys on the next adventure. Peace. Later, y'all. So all this here was burnt, okay? I missed this coming in. I was all excited to get to the end. But all this was burnt from the fire all the way up. The road is up there on I-80. Okay, all that was burnt. Okay. See how that whole fence got fried. See how close it got to this white picket fence? It burnt all the way up to the white picket fence and didn't do nothing to that white picket fence and did not touch that house at all. Went around the whole house, burned everything around the house. That's strange to me.
Even the trees in their yard.
Yeah, I mean, it's just, yeah, the trees didn't get touched. Nothing got touched. The trailers didn't get burned down. I mean, the place was on fire. I mean, all the way around it. Here, and here's the other side of it. The other side. And all this was burnt as well. All around this house. And it was not touched.
Including hopped over.
And then it hopped over here and went across and burnt the other side. So to me, fires work in mysterious ways. For sure. You can't predict them. But it's just weird how it can miss a whole entire house. But yeah, I had to share that with you guys. They're all in the open field. He's thinking about crossing. No. Need a haircut.
Look at the baby.
Yep. Beautiful. They're all coming down for the winter. All the winter snow has melted. So now all the deer are coming out and having their babies. So beautiful. Wait, Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
Wait for me. Beautiful. Beautiful wildlife.